You have a speech to give and haven't begun drafting yet. You also need to practice and memorize it. Your solution is here, Speechcraft. Welcome to Speechcraft, a series of videos where I write and present speeches for you. This educational series of speeches is to help learners advance their speech and presentation skills. This is the very first episode, and today's speech topic is International Youth Day, celebrated on 12th of August every year. This speech is 5 minutes long. Watch the video till the end to get bonus presentation tips. Let's begin. Good morning, Honourable Principal Sister Pricilla Madam, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pratiksha Mangalekar, a student of class 10C, and I'm honored to speak a few lines on the occasion of International Youth Day. Today, as we gather here at St. Joseph's Convent High School to commemorate International Youth Day, we celebrate the power and potential of youth across the globe. Celebrated on 12th August every year, this day serves as a reminder of the pivotal role that young people play in shaping our world's future. Youth, by definition, embodies energy, creativity, and limitless potential. Look around us. We are a generation brimming with ideas, dreams, and aspirations. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene valleys of Kashmir, from the bustling tech hubs of Bangalore to the vibrant cultural heritage of Rajasthan, India's youth are leaving a mark in every corner of our diverse nation and beyond. But alongside our achievements, we also face challenges unique to our generation. Many of us wrestle with the pressures of education, trying to balance academic excellence with personal growth. Some amongst us are concerned about the career opportunities and the daunting task of building a secure future. Others still grapple with societal expectations and the desire to carve out their own identities. Yet, despite these challenges, the resilience of youth prevails. Today, I stand before you inspired by countless stories of young Indians who have risen above adversity to achieving greatness. From young innovators pioneering sustainable solutions in rural villages to the artists using their voices to advocate for social change, our youth are not just leaders of tomorrow, but they are change makers of today. In India, we are fortunate to have initiatives and policies that support youth empowerment. Programs like Skill India and Startup India are not just buzzwords. They are the pathways to unlock our potential and foster entrepreneurship and innovation. These initiatives empower us to learn new skills, chase our dreams, and contribute meaningfully to society's growth. Education too plays a pivotal role in our journey towards empowerment. It is not just about textbooks and exams. It is about equipping ourselves with knowledge that empowers us to think critically, to question, and innovate. As we stand at the threshold of adulthood, let us commit to ourselves to learning not just for grades, but for the wisdom that will shape our decisions and actions. But our responsibility extends beyond personal growth. As custodians of our planet's future, we must embrace sustainability and environmental stewardship. Youth-led movements across the world, from climate strikes to local community projects, are a testament to our commitment to building a sustainable future. Let us take inspiration from these movements and pledge to protect our environment for generations to come. Diversity is another cornerstone of our strength as a nation. India's culture is rich with diversity, a necklace studded with countless languages, traditions, and beliefs. Our strength lies in unity amidst diversity, in celebrating what makes us unique while embracing what binds us together as Indians. As we celebrate International Youth Day, let us reflect on the role each one of us plays in shaping our shared future. Let us seize every opportunity to learn, to grow, and to lead with compassion. and integrity. Let us not just dream of a better world, but actively work towards making it a reality. In conclusion, my dear friends, I urge each one of you to embrace your potential, to believe in your ability to make a difference, and to take pride in being part of a generation poised to leave an indelible mark on history. Let us celebrate our achievements, learn from our challenges, and march forward together towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you, class mentor Rekha Madam, for this opportunity to share my thoughts with you today. Happy International Youth Day. Thank you. Thank you for watching till the end. Here are the bonus tips as I promised. So you need to make an eye contact with a few members from the audience so that they feel you are talking to them and not at them. Second tip is to practice, practice, practice. Practice like you have never given a speech and perform like you give speeches every day. The third tip is to maintain a positive facial expression throughout. I have pasted the whole speech in the description box for your convenience. Whether you want it for a speech or an essay, I hope this content will be helpful. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel for more. I hope my speechcraft video series helped you. Good luck with your speech and keep shining bright.